guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm making my mother-in-law special Vendakkai Kathirikai Kulambu, which is a tasty gravy made of okra and brinjal. So without any further ado, let's begin. Let's begin with making the paste for the gravy. For this, in a mixer jar, I have added 1 cup of grated coconut, half sliced onion, 1 tomato, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, half lemon sized small tamarind, half cup of water. Now grind this into a fine paste like so. In a kadai, heat some oil, add 250 grams of okra, add some salt and fry this well to avoid the sliminess. Once this fries well like so, keep it aside. Now in the same oil, add 3 small sized brinjal, add some salt and fry this well. Once it gets fried nice like so, keep it aside. Now add some oil and add 15 to 20 shallots. Once it's turned golden brown, add 1 tomato. Saute the tomato once it turns nice and soft like so. Now add the fried okra and brinjal. Saute for a minute till all the flavors comes together. Now add the prepared coconut paste. Mix this well and cook for 5 to 7 minutes on low flame till the raw smell of the coconut goes off and this comes to a boil. Once this starts to boil, add 2 cups of hot water. Remember to add hot water. This will not disturb the flavors. Give it a nice mix and cook this on low flame for 10 minutes till all the flavors of the vegetables get absorbed in the gravy. Adjust the salt at this point. After 10 minutes, as you can see, the gravy has thickened. You can adjust the consistency as per your preference. Once this gets set, the gravy will thicken. Now add some coriander leaves and give it a mix. Let's move towards the tempering. In a pan, heat some oil, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Once it splutters, add the remaining half onion. Add some curry leaves. Once the onion turns golden brown, towards the end, add half teaspoon of red chilli powder. This is optional. I have added to give a nice color to the gravy. Now let's add to the gravy and immediately close the lid and keep it aside for 10-15 minutes. That's it. A delicious Tirunelveli Vendakkai Kathirikai Kulambu is ready to be served. This can be enjoyed with steamed hot rice. Hope you have liked the recipe. Request you to please subscribe to my channel so you will get notified on my further videos. Also, like and share. Thank you for tuning in. See you soon.